We are out here in the bush. We're looking for a site to build a winter shelter. We're going to a specific site to build we're gonna do like an A-frame with a fireplace, some bushcraft, cook some food, hang out, have some drinks we're out here with the dogs. Trying to build a shelter. Gonna be warm enough for like -20. I've never built a fireplace, but we gotta learn through experience, trial and error. What is that? Looks like somebody put this here and did like a ritual. We are really bushwhacking right now. Yeah, get to those big trees so we're out of this tick-filled grass. See that deer? Saw 2 whitetails. I recognize this area. We're near a place we've already built something. Last year we built a teepee. What is this? There's the teepee. It's not looking too healthy, eh? Looks like all the debris blew off. But I'm surprised it's still looking in good condition. Oh, that door is messed up. Look at the hole. Nice fire reflector. We're in the winter, it keeps you nice and warm. I can't wait to get started on this this A-frame. Right there, under this beech tree, it's gonna be our site, the build site. It's got like 90-degree wall here. And we're in a deep valley that protects us from all the elements. Take you for a little tour of our old shelter from last year. Look at that. All the firewood, there's Malibu firewood. It's our fire pit, kept us warm. Nice raised beds, beauty. And then a bunch of firewood. It's raised about a foot. Got my birch bark storage under there. Definitely kept us semi-warm in the winter time. And -20, it wasn't enough, eh? What is this? A few feather sticks. Let's collect some kindling. Pretty small one. Two strikes. Come on. This stuff is damp and wet. And look how good it burns. We need birch bark. Go, Maya. Go see. I think Maya wants to hang out at camp. She's too old. Nice. Oh. Feather? How wide is this? Right? It's this wide. 7 feet wide by like 9 feet long, around like 6 feet high. We need to make sure it's wide enough and tall enough. Wide enough for 2 raised beds and a couple dogs, long enough for a couple dogs at the front. But yeah, it looks decently flat. That's about the width we want, right? Or we need the crops too. Need you to like get out of the way. Oh! These logs nice and smooth so they fit together nicely when we put the A-frame up. Cooking up a couple steaks right now. In some yellow peppers here. They definitely looked overcooked. We got some onion, some sausage here. It's raining hard. We're gonna have to take shelter in our old teepee over here. We love the rain. No, we don't. What's that, Malibu? What does he have? This is part of our frame here. This is our ridge pole. Right, we're gonna cut him. They need to be the same length. Okay, move that. You got it? One hand is gonna hold it? Oh my god, look how much higher the front is. Or just like one-handed maybe? Alright, that's stable for now until we tie everything in. A little angled there. Not good. Yeah, that's a structure. Got a big fire roaring. Number 1 out of 1,000 pieces for the wall. Putting on some more of the roof today. Hanging out, hopefully not getting rained on. I made this tarp today, thinking it would be good. I custom made it to the dimensions, put grommets in it. It's like house wrap stuff, breathable, waterproof type stuff. Made it 10 feet by 15. It's starting to rain. Getting windy. Tons of leaves are falling. It's like October 4th. Leaves are just starting to turn yellow out here. See these? Bought a grommet kit, put some grommets in it. Hiding under the teepee, what's left of the teepee right now. It's raining. It's not a downpour, it's sprinkling. Taking a little break here. I gotta go cut down some trees. Not living trees. A lot of conifer. A lot of straight, dead, standing spruce. Whenever I muster up the courage, I'm gonna go do that. She's raining pretty good. Guess the weather's not on my side today. I don't think I'm getting much done on the winter shelter today. Dogs like it. Well, Malibu likes it. Likes it out here. It's like hunting mice or something right now. There's the fire. Good girl. It is the day after I got caught in the rain. Back out here hoping to get some shit done. I brought a nice T-bone steak today. Maybe if I have time I'll cook that up over the fire. Gaps annoy me. I think I need to use thicker logs for sure. Ow. Didn't go too well. Good thing I got birch bark over here. Okay. There she goes. Already falling down for me. It's already ready to go. Let's not have that stab into me. Ow! Nah, but what are you doing? What are you doing? I am drinking some Brickworks Premium Dry Cider. Got the grill going, heating up. Got a nice T-bone steak here I'm gonna put on. Little Salt Bay on that piece. I mean plate. Oh, Bush, get your nose out of here. Get that high blood pressure steak vibes. Is it good? Oh, man. We're having technical difficulties. It's the end of day 4. I'll be back soon to add more to it. I'm just gonna eat and get out of here. Just took down the entire teepee. Alright, I'm back out here to do some building on the A-frame here. But I've decided I want to move the A-frame over here. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me moving all this. Get it. Got the frame up. That was a lot of work. Not easy doing that by myself. She's real loose. Wow. Not so good. This is where I want to put the fireplace, right here. Chimney coming out. This is the structure so far. The fireplace right here. So I still got mud before the ground freezes because it's like November 12th right now. So I want to start on the fireplace before the ground stuff freezes. gonna make up a few little steaks while I'm out here before I head out. Let's try these bad boys out. Full moon out. You can see, probably can't, but let's check it out. Full moon up there. Kind of looks like a full moon anyway. A lot of coyotes out there tonight. Hear that? This thing's like legit like a cabin. I'm just trying to make like a nice winter shelter, stay warm. Ended up becoming an entire cabin. It's gonna be beautiful at the end once it's done with the fireplace. And anyway, peace guys, see you in the next one.